Winters are here and psoriasis patients' problem tend to increase in winter because in cold weather, psoriasis symptoms starts aggravating, resulting in psoriasis flare-ups. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi from Dr. Health with you. Today we will discuss on diet that psoriasis patients should take especially in winter season to avoid flare-ups and recover from psoriasis. The diet tips I am starting with you specially chosen to nourish skin, boost immunity that will help your body to fight psoriasis, along with fulfill nutritional deficiencies that are prevent your body from recovering from psoriasis. So first is, you should consume things that give energy to your body, boost your immunity and keep away the psoriasis flare-ups. Number 1, incorporate seeds such as pumpkin seeds, chia seeds and sunflower seeds in your diet. These seeds have amazing nutritional value and they are known to boost immunity. Use them by soaking them a night before in hot water and then you can eat them the next morning. Alternatively, you can also use them after crushing all seeds in the fine powder, then eating a spoonful of it with breakfast. These seeds are enriched with folic acid that will overcome your folic acid deficiencies. These seeds help to eliminate the body's inflammatory component, thus aid in the management of psoriasis. Next, include walnuts and almonds in your diet. Soak them overnight and have them first thing in the morning. Soaking nuts overnight removes harmful material and reduces the natural heat present in them, so you can get the best out of them. Next, you can include beetroot, spinach, green mustard, radish and carrot in your diet. You can use them to make soup or drink them in fresh smoothies. As the season change, new veggies are available in the winter, make best use of them. You can make yourself beetroot juice in the evening. It will keep your body's hemoglobin level stable and prevent iron shortage. You can include protein-rich foods such as soy, oats and pulses in your diet. Avoid consuming fish, non-veg food or animal protein to maintain optimal liver function and stop the progression of psoriasis. Keep in mind that while you can take millet, gram, ragi, oatmeal, wheat and brown rice if you have psoriasis, you shouldn't eat all the grains at once. Consume just one grain at a time to obtain the necessary amount of protein from the grain. You do not need to consume all of these together. In psoriasis, you must avoid the following things: alcohol, use of tobacco, packet food, frozen food, preservative foods and any outside and even homemade sweets also. Eating fish should not be avoided. But remember, psoriasis can be healed only when you eat mindfully and follow a healthy lifestyle. Remember that smoking and drinking alcohol even a little bit can exacerbate psoriasis. You will need to cut back on carbohydrates and eliminate animal protein to preserve insulin resistance and liver function. This has the advantage of reducing inflammation in your body, which will make you feel better. Also, fruits are good to consume. However, avoid eating sour fruits. You can consume fruits such as papaya, banana, guava, apple and pomegranate. You must try to limit your daily meals to fruit and vegetable soup only. If you have psoriasis, you should improve your eating habits so that it doesn't reoccur or worsen. You should avoid excessive sugar, flour and salt consumption to prevent the liver from malfunctioning and psoriasis from worsening. In winter, avoid or adopting these things will help you prevent your psoriasis from worsening. Hopefully, this video will help you in making yourself a winter specific psoriasis diet plan. If you are dealing with psoriasis, do not worry. Share your images with us, consult with our doctors and get on the right track to saying goodbye to your psoriasis. And we are here to support you. I hope this video has left you smiling, knowing that psoriasis is treatable. Following these steps, reach out to us, share your images, let us work together to find the best treatment plan for your psoriasis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.